I'm Alan Buohl. I'm an estimator here at GSM Roofing. I've been working here for over 40 years.
So how many years have you been a commercial drone pilot, and what has your overall experience been?
I've been a remote pilot for 2 years. Uh, it's easy, but I love using it. I get great photos. The customers really seem to like it.
All right, Alan, can you tell me a little bit about the regulations and certifications involved in commercial drone flight?
Sure. To fly a drone commercially or for business, you need to follow all the rules of the Part 107 UAS FAA rules, which include passing a knowledge test and obtaining a remote pilot certification.
And is that an in-person test, an independent study training?
Well, I did independent study to prepare for the test, and you have to go to an FAA certification facility and take the test there.
So before drones, how would you survey a high or a steep roof section?
Well, before drones, we'd set up ladders. We'd rent man lifts. It can be very time-consuming and expensive.
What are the major advantages of using a drone to survey a roof?
Well, a drone allows me to inspect high and steep roofs that are hard to access from the safety of the ground. It's very cost-effective for our customers, and it's quick and easy.